I'm Dedra Hughes with Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group, and this is Sarah Maxwell and Brooke Peterman, and we make up the Dedra Hughes Team. We're standing here today on this beautiful sunny day in Stone Creek Golf Course Community at 5065 Falling Springs. I know you can see this gorgeous southern front porch, but Sarah, I want you to tell us what they're going to see when they go inside.
This home is bright and beautiful. It has tons of natural light, a big open floor plan. The bedrooms are split, which is wonderful, and the backyard is fabulous.
Brooke, what do you want to tell us?
Well, Dedra, whether it's sunny or rainy here in Stone Creek, the market is hot. I live here, my kids play here, and we absolutely adore this neighborhood. So if you want this front porch to be your front porch, give us a call today. Let's go inside.